We're gonna eat first because I'm starving, and then we're gonna play some more games, and then hopefully we win something. So. I think everything is half off, so we're gonna be playing a lot now. Don't fall. Oh! You got a Coca-Cola, you can give it to your dad. Oh, fuck. Damn. Together? Oh, what the fuck, dude? They're all high, though. 25. This one's 4. This one's 30, and this one's 75. Oh, it's so cold in here. You guys don't understand. Three to go. There you go.
9 foot.
Okay, good job. Nice. Just don't. Oh, you got sucked into there. That's okay. You were so close. Okay, nice. Beat it one more time. His own high score. Oh, so close. You literally got it. You tied it.
Yeah, I got it.
Oh, you got it even if you tied?
Already 1,300 tickets.
Let's go. Nice, kid. All right, here he goes again. Oh shoot, almost, you did it! You did it! Good job, again! Nice! You did it again!
Tickets already?
Holy fuck!
Oh!
Okay, no more. You hurt yourself. He's ghost? Scary? Ghost?
Oh my god. Fuck you.
I want to vomit.
God. Oh my god. Holy fuck, what? Jesus. That's the first time I've ever seen that happen.
I'll take it. Oh, it didn't, oh no, what the fuck? 102. That's okay, that's okay.
I just feel like a nut.
Okay, 1 second.
I just hit a stop.
Is it? Because I guess it's just above the tree. I'm facing it kind of, you know? You want choice?
Coffins broken.
33 now? Uh-oh, here.
What is it usually?
30.
Go ahead, Panda.
Oh my god.
That's going well.
That's so lame. It used to be 30. We would have had it. Got 32.
Coffins broken.
Yeah.
Coffins broken.
What the hell did you just do? I smell it, you shit. It smells like a fucking child. Oh.
This is the worst fucking game ever.
I know, I hate it.
That would be a Mr.
Jesus, pick up. Where's 5? Okay. I have no clue where that was. Number 10. 3. 60, okay. 16. Please. Oh, fuck off. 4. Okay, good. 32. Okay, stabby, not stabby. 3. I'm gonna vomit. No deal.
Weapon is number 11.
Okay. Okay. Oh. No deal. We did 15. 15. Open our case. Yeah. Do you got a spoon with that? I think you got one inside.
Better get one.
Dude, oh yeah, it's in there. Sorry, I didn't want to touch it.
It's actually good when it melts.
I don't like it. Oh yeah, it literally says on the spoon is in the cup.
Yours look better. Why is it?
It's hard. I can't even. It's solid.
Oh.
No, I'll have it still. Trust. Is it better than yours?
That one's good.
It's like a popsicle. I'll wait a bit for it to kind of like defrost. I just played this game, the screen one, and I got the 500.
Let's fucking play again. We didn't grab it in time.
Okay. You just said we didn't grab it in time, but I have it right on my nose. I can't believe you didn't see me grab it.
God! Eco shop! We can't sell that. Cast! Cast! Cast!
Oh my god! This is
Keep reeling the fish in! Let's aim for bigger tuna!
oh.
That's a wrap!
Perfect. I got another big one.
Solid vision today. The shot, Captain.
I got it! Do I win now? Oh,
Fantastic!
low-key hard. I don't get it. What happened? Oh! It is rigged. That was close, actually. You shoot, and then I have to shoot from where you shot? Of course. Well, I need to eat. I don't know if I can. Nope. Dude. I'm gonna do it right there.
Sports or force?
Horse. We're so far, I would never make it.
Yeah. Gotta get this done. Here you go.
Fuck off. Jacob. Can't do that.
A game of balance, endurance, and democracy. Get it there.
By the way, my battery's low, so I'm probably most likely going to lose.